It is my absolute delight to accept this Best Practice Award from the Knowledge Economy Network, and I regret being unavailable to accept the award in person. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to speak about our work and the mutual benefits gained when the university and community collaborate to develop new approaches to address persistent social, economic, and environmental challenges. The higher education sector is the primary source of highly trained people and new knowledge, both of which are critical components of innovative, inclusive, and sustainable societies. However, there is increasing pressure to be relevant to real-world issues. The university is an important part of its local and global communities, and it must embrace a new paradigm of scholarship to complement, but not to replace, traditional research and teaching. Researchers who collaborate with partners from the public, private, and nonprofit sectors help the Academy to become an active partner in social and economic innovation. Knowledge mobilization is one mechanism that the university has to connect the research to the broader society. Knowledge mobilization is growing in importance in Canada, and as I found out at a recent conference held by the United Nations University, it is growing throughout the world, especially in the global south. What I call knowledge mobilization, others call knowledge translation, or knowledge transfer, exchange, or engaged scholarship. These are different terms for similar activities. At York University, knowledge mobilization is a suite of tools and services that connects researchers and graduate students with non-academic expertise so that partners can collaborate and co-create new knowledge that not only meets academic standards, but also helps to address persistent social and economic challenges. Knowledge mobilization is a process that enhances social innovation. In 2009, Nottawasaga Futures, a nonprofit community development agency, called York University's Knowledge Mobilization Unit to help rural businesses make green decisions. The collaboration we supported helped launch the Green Economy Center. We supported a collaboration between graduate student Tanya Gulliver and the Parkdale Activity and Recreation Center in 2007. Research conducted by this partnership is now helping to inform Toronto's Heat Registry Manual, which will help more than 2.5 million citizens in an increasingly warming world. When the regional municipality of York called the Knowledge Mobilization Unit to seek support in evaluating how they delivered services to immigrants, we supported a collaboration between two faculty members and municipal policymakers. The evaluation undertaken provided evidence to the regional government informing a decision to invest over $20 million and expand the Welcome Centre program. This created 86 jobs and provided over 48,000 services to new Canadians living and working in York Region, which is home to Canada's fastest growing newcomer population. Knowledge mobilization identifies and supports these collaborations. The Welcome Centre, the Heat Registry, and the Green Economy Centre are social innovations. I would like to close by allowing the United Way of York Region to tell you about the important impact of our work.
The Knowledge Mobilization Unit at York has always relied on strong partnerships outside of the university. The partnership between York Knowledge Mobilization and the United Way of York Region brings unique capacity to help York research inform professional practice and public policy in York Region.
I can say unequivocally that York University, specifically York University's Knowledge Mobilization Unit, has transformed United Way of York Region. Just years ago, United Way of York Region was an internally focused organization. We had transactional relationships with agencies in the nonprofit sector and partners across York Region. But thanks to York University, we've unpacked community and developed a rich relationship with partners, agencies, and corporations.
Our relationship with the United Way of York Region allows York University to have a maximum impact in translating its knowledge that's gained in its research into the community setting. Although York has a national reputation as a leader in knowledge mobilization, these activities and this reputation could not have been earned without this essential partnership with groups like the United Way of York Region.
Evidence of this partnership is an innovative project that is unique to any United Way and university in Canada.
This is a new initiative, and I think it reflects their interest in maximizing the community impact for their work. They're interested in how research and research partnerships and other relationships with the university can support the work in community in making a difference to the lives of individuals.
York University's Knowledge Mobilization Unit has opened up the richness of community. And I would say United Way is stronger because of that relationship. And the university itself is stronger, with deeper roots in the community and greater opportunities to apply research to real lived experience.
I wish to thank all of our partners, especially the United Way of York Region, as well as those who have funded us, including the Social Sciences and Humanities Research Council of Canada and the Canadian Institutes of Health Research, as well as the continued support and leadership of the Vice President Research and Innovation at York University. Thank you to the Knowledge Economy Network and the members of the Awards Selection Committee for this wonderful honor. I wish you all the best for a successful forum.